you start dying slowly. If you don't travel, if you don't read, if you don't listen to the sounds of life, and if you don't appreciate yourself, you start dying slowly. If you become a slave of your habits, walking every day on the same paths, if you don't change your routines, and if you don't wear different colors, or you don't speak to those you don't know, you start dying slowly. If you avoid to feel the passion and the turbulent emotions, those which make your eyes glisten and your heart beat faster, you start dying slowly. If you do not change your life when you're not satisfied with your job or with your love, if you don't risk what is safe for the uncertain, if you don't go after a dream, and if you don't allow yourself at least once in your lifetime to run away from a sensible advice, you start dying slowly.